Rightio, here we are in the Express workshop. We've got some duct pressure testing to do.
Pressure testing in the factory will save time and money for our customer on site. We test against an allowed leakage rate and record the actual rate and a percentage loss. In this case, it's just 0.35%, well below the 3% allowed.
When you push the set button, the actual machine will start up and run. As you can hear in the background, it started running. And now you can see it sort of started sitting reasonably stable. So what we do now is we go to graph and we actually start recording it. Yes, and you can see once it gets up there, it gets the yellow line here, should stay reasonably stable to the grey line. And as you'll see, it's just around this, sitting around the grey line, which means this pressure inside the duct is reasonably close. Get any peaks like up there or down here means there's something gone wrong or something like that, but normally it should stay fairly, you see now, fairly level. It'll go up and down a little bit, but other than that, that's about it. So what we do now is we actually run the test for 15 minutes. We've got our results written down on our test sheet there, and we've got the thing here down the bottom here. It's got the back's been going 16 minutes. Normally we run it for 15 minutes. So this is something further we can do if you're unsure whether your ducts leak and that sort of thing. Obviously with air conditioning duct, it is never completely sealed. There are always real small bits of leak, but you just need to minimise them. This is actually what you call a smoke pencil as such. It's just a good way to find leaks and that sort of thing. And you can you'll see there it's not too bad. We'll get down to here. See there's a little bit of a leak there, the smoke's blowing a little bit more. Not much at all. Just a small leak there, which is nothing to worry about. So you'll go further down here, right along the seam here, you can see it's not blowing out from it. And we'll come back up the duct join here. And there's nothing, actually that's not blowing out as you can see. And we come back up here where there's a little small leak that I can feel, and it's just blowing out there just a little bit. You can see there's a little bit of air coming out of there. You see the smoke blowing there, but once again that's nothing to worry about. This particular test we're doing is only a 0.35 loss, which is not very much at all.